ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. It is Friday, July 21st, 2023, and it is 9:50 in the morning. I just completed my last service call. Going into it, I didn't think I was going to record anything. It was just a Rheem water heater, a referral from Rheem. It's a regular retail customer, though he's paying for the trip charge and for our hourly rate. But I ended up recording some content. We had a error code 11 coming from the unit, which is a flame failure, and typically those are flame rods. And on this particular tankless water heater, you have flame rod 1 and flame rod 2, and you have one igniter. I pulled them all out, cleaned them. One was pretty dirty, you'll see in the video. But what was interesting to me is that I found the leak on the heat exchanger, a water leak, and it was evident by the greenness, the corrosion. Statue of Liberty is made of copper, right? And the Statue of Liberty doesn't look like copper; it's green, right? Because it's outside the elements, right? So same thing, same principle lies with this. So I called up Rheem. I called the Pro Plumber Concierge line, and I got someone on the phone within like 30 seconds. Unlike other tankless manufacturing companies, you wait on hold for a couple hours, right? So I'm on hold for like 30 seconds. They use an app like FaceTime. They sent me a code to my phone. We opened up an app, and she quickly saw what she needed to see. What was interesting was that she wanted to see the outdoor vent termination. So, all right, let's go on with the video.
I called Rheem and tried to troubleshoot it. At first, it was showing error code 29, which I think is a neutralizer issue. And then it was showing, now it shows error code 11 when I try to run hot water, but it's off right now from the control panel.
Okay.
So it's just not pumping hot water.
How old is it?
I believe I just bought this house within the last year. I believe when they completely redone the house in 2018.
Gotcha.
I think that's when it was installed, but I could be wrong.
What is up with the gas here? Oh, they just put 2 valves on,
I'm just gonna put them back.
Okay, no problem.
And come back down.
And error 11, you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, she's off. Alright, so the heater is on, powered. Let's give it a call for domestic hot water. Alright, and immediately it goes out within... Oh no. We're still on over there. We are still on. Let's get more of a demand. Alright, we have more fixtures on, and now we have 100%. Okay. We have that error 11 to deal with. Alright, so I pulled out the igniter, which looks fairly clean. Flame rod 1. Yeah, it's dirty. Flame rod 2. Yeah, also looks kind of clean. The flame rod 2 is definitely in need of a cleaning. Alright, flame rods are back installed. Let's cycle it again, and we have ignition. This is now the 7th cycle that we've run so far. Did pick up that leak right there on that thermistor off the top left corner of the heat exchanger. We're going to put a call into Rheem, and they're probably going to condemn this heat exchanger. Nothing else looks out of the ordinary here. I don't see any rust like you see on other manufacturers. Top is clean. There's your intake. Here's your exhaust. We'll check out our separation outside though. Make sure that's legit. All right, so we cycled the system about 12 times. I did notice this corrosion on the top left front corner of the heat exchanger. That green stuff, that's oxidation. You know, the Statue of Liberty is made of copper, just the way that is, and she's green or bluish green because water is there, and that is the heat exchanger outlet thermistor, and that's not good. So I called Rheem. We did a visual FaceTime call with an app that they were using. They wanted to see that, and then we also took a look at the exhaust piping outside. There's our concentric vent kit, and there's inlet and outlet for the tankless, which is right here. Follow this concentric vent kit, and that's going to our sealed combustion 90+% efficient Goodman gas-fired furnace. I'll show you outside in a minute. All right, here is the venting concentric for our furnace. The water heater is right there. So that's the furnace, and that's the tankless water heater. And this was totally acceptable to Rheem.